Alright, everyone, let me tell you a quick story from my first year out of grad school. I started a tiny coffee cart outside the library. Simple idea: caffeine plus desperate students. On day one, I sold 80 coffees at $3 each. I went home thinking, I made $240 today. I'm rich. Then I opened my notebook and remembered accounting exists. Here's the lesson. Revenue is what you earn from providing goods or services. For my cart, revenue is the $240 from coffees sold. It's recorded when it's earned, when the coffee is delivered, not when I feel happy about it. Now, expenses are the costs required to generate that revenue. Coffee beans, cups, milk, napkins, the permit fee, and even the little speaker I use to play lo-fi music. If I used $70 of beans and supplies that day, paid $20 for the permit, and spent $30 on gas and cart maintenance, those are expenses tied to operating the business. So what do we do with revenue and expenses? We match them. In the same period we record the revenue, we record the expenses that helped produce it. That's how we measure performance honestly. Revenue minus expenses equals net income. My $240 rich day, $240 revenue, minus $120 expenses, equals $120 net income. Still a good day, but not magic. And one more twist. If I bought a $600 espresso machine, that's not all expense today. It's an asset first, then becomes expense over time through depreciation. So remember, revenue tells the story of earning, expenses tell the story of spending.